Now if PA is 3 units and PC is 4 units, then what will be the radius of this circle? We will solve it using two different methods. First, we will use tangent secant theorem. Let us label the radius as r. So AB, or the diameter of this circle, will be 2r. Thus, PB will be equal to 3 plus 2r, right? Now, using this theorem, we get 4 square equals 3 times 3 plus 2r, or 16 equals 9 plus 6r. Therefore, r equals 16 minus 9, or 7 over 6. We can also solve the same using the fact that a tangent is always perpendicular to the radius at the point where it touches the circle.